Tell you what, folks, today we're going to whip up a little bit of Korean stir fry just to show you how easy it is. We're going to chop up a few peppers, some onions, a little bit of celery, and a little bit of carrots. And just dice it up, whatever suits your fancy. And I always like to cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Throw that in there with those. Then we'll take some little carrots, lay them out. The real small ones, we'll just kind of split them in half. And you want the vegetables all to be cut up approximately the same size, so when you steam them, that they all come through about the same, get the same texture when you're all done. Because you want, or at least I want a little bit of crunch to them. I don't like to get them too tender. Now, and for the stir fry, you can do it just with the vegetables. If you're a vegetarian, or if you just want to do stir fry vegetables, that's fine. Or you can pick your meat of choice, beef, pork, or chicken. Today we're going to be doing chicken. Getting ready to cook up our goodies. We can either use canola oil. I like to use sesame oil if it's available. But put about 2 tablespoons in there. Let that oil heat up real good. I like to get the oil up to about 350, 375. What I've done now, I've got the chicken in there, and what I like to do is to about half a pound or 3/4 of a pound of chicken, I'll do 2 or 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. It helps the meat crisp up a lot better. I do that if I'm doing pork, beef, chicken, don't make any difference, but it just works a lot better when you're stir frying it. Okay, our meat is done now. We'll just pull that out, put that in the pan, and then we'll throw our veggies in. Put just a touch of water in there. Onions, carrots, celery, peppers, and then I've decided to add, you can add snow peas, water chestnuts, whatever else you'd like to add with it. I'm going to have a few snow peas in here, and but if you don't have any, don't worry about it. It's kind of whatever vegetables you like. If you want to, you can throw broccoli in there, cauliflower, you know, whatever you'd like to. But anyway, this is a nice mixture. I'll put the lid on. We'll let that steam for about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. Gets it pretty close to the right doneness. It's still got a little bit of a bite to it. Got the veggies steamed nicely. They just got a nice little crunch to them. Now we'll add the chicken back in. And for chicken, you can use chicken tenders, breast meat, chicken thighs, rotisserie chicken, whatever you got that's handy. Just cut it up. You know, if you got some pre-cooked rotisserie chicken or something like that, needless to say, you don't need to recook it. So we'll just stir the chicken back through there a little bit, get that mixed in. And yes, now we add the good part, Cookies Korean sauce. We'll add about roughly a cup of it, and we'll just stir that around and get a nice coating on the vegetables. And there you've got it, a quick, easy meal with Cookies Korean sauce.